Hey guys, it's Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I'm so excited because I'm going to teach you how to make a really delicious strawberry cheesecake banana split. I love strawberry cheesecake. I love banana splits. I don't like all the calories or the high fat or the high sugar, so I've come up with my own recipe. Before I teach you how to make that simple recipe, I just want to show you that I just made these delicious burrito bowls. Okay, how does that look? It's vegan, vegetarian, keto, Weight Watchers, paleo, everybody friendly, all right, and versatile. And I also made some chips to go with it, so you can check out that video. Really easy peasy. And for this recipe, of course, for the banana split, you're gonna need a nice sized banana that I've already cut in half. And you don't want it too mushy, you don't want it green, you want it just right, of course. So just cut that in half, put it on a plate. Now I've measured out a 1/3 cup of plain zero fat Greek yogurt, whatever brand you like to use, okay? And it's 0 smart points on WW. And also the banana is 0 points. And I've just taken about a 1/3 cup of fresh strawberries, all right? And I've just cut them up. It was about a 1/3 cup. And I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of the lemon flavored, sugar-free, fat-free Jello pudding, okay? So if you have vanilla, you can change it up, like I said, all right? So you want a different flavor, you wanna use the cheesecake flavor. I didn't have it, so I'm just improvising and using the lemon. So I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of that. This is such an easy, fast recipe. Because a lot of times if you're like me and you have a sweet tooth and you want something quick and easy, then, you know, this is a great go-to. So really simple, just mix those 2 ingredients together. You don't need any other sweetness to this, okay? And ta-da, in 2 seconds, it becomes like a cheesecake, and it's so delicious. And of course, nutritious, high protein, all right? And you can use more. If you want a bigger amount, of course, you can do it, and you can make it ahead of time as well. So if you have company. And then we're just gonna add half the amount of the strawberries because I wanna have some for the top. And just mix in your strawberries, okay, for the cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. And yum, I can't wait to try this. So I'm just going to put it on top of my banana, scoop it out, so then it looks like ice cream almost. And you know, you can enjoy making this for yourself, for company. And you know, when you get a banana split, you want it to have like, I like 3 nice round scoops of it like that. Okay, so 3 nice scoops of it. Now, of course, what would a banana split be without other toppings? So I'm gonna just add a little bit more strawberries to it, just to make it look pretty. Because, you know, even on the plate, add a few. I've learned that, you know, obviously on our journey, you eat with your eyes. So you add a little bit of strawberries to it. And of course, it's versatile. So you could add a little bit of some sugar-free chocolate syrup, right? Just drizzle some on. And if you want, you can use Cool Whip or light whipped cream. So depending on how much you use, then you'll account for the smart point. So you can add a little bit of that, or even on the side. I like to just sometimes add a little bit on the side. And if you want to add a few sprinkles because, you know, it just looks so cute. Or I have sugar-free chocolate chips. You can sprinkle even just a couple on as well. All right. And or even some, I always keep some slivered almonds that I've toasted, and you can add that as well. And ta-da, like you have the most gorgeous looking and tasting, delicious, did I say delicious? I'm going to say it a few times. Delicious, nutritious treat, snack, dessert that is amazing. Like I said, you could use Cool Whip, whipped cream, caramel sauce, any other kind of nut that you like, and serve it to yourself, all right? And it's guilt-free, fat-free pretty much, and low points depending on what other toppings you use, okay? So that's it. Amazing, delicious. Make sure you eat it right away. If you want to make the filling beforehand and keep it in the fridge, you can do that, all right? And you saw how fast it was to make, so that you can enjoy something if you have, like I said, a sweet tooth like myself, all right? So please, if you change it up, please comment below. If you keep it the same, please comment below, okay? And of course, tell other people about my channel, and take care. I'm gonna just put this down for now and blow you a kiss. Take care. Bye for now. Take care, guys.